Nicotine is addictive, so if you vape regularly, quitting is hard. And it's getting even harder because today's e-cigarettes tend to have more nicotine. That's why the American Academy of Pediatrics now recommends considering nicotine replacement therapy, or NRT, to help young people who have a moderate to severe dependence on nicotine. Moderate to severe dependence is based on factors like how often you smoke or vape, how hard it is not to, and if you have cravings when you stop. Also, if you need to use more nicotine to get the same effects or are having negative consequences from use or withdrawal symptoms. NRT manages withdrawal and cravings by offering a controlled amount of nicotine that is slowly reduced over time. It's effective and safer than cigarettes, e-cigarettes, and other tobacco products because it delivers nicotine without the toxic chemicals and carcinogens. The risk of getting too much nicotine is low because it's released slowly. Based on your level of nicotine use and other factors, your medical provider will work with you to determine if NRT is a good fit and establish a program that's right for you. You may wear a long-acting nicotine patch to manage cravings throughout the day, carry shorter-acting gum or lozenges to manage cravings as they appear, or use a combination of both. It's important to let your provider know how you're feeling, so together you can adjust the level of nicotine to comfortably control cravings while making progress toward your goal of quitting. NRT works well in combination with programs that address the behavioral aspect of smoking or vaping, like those that offer you 24/7 support through personalized guidance over text messages. NRT has helped some people quit in 3 to 6 months. For others, it may take longer. Remember, setbacks are part of the journey. Every day, week, or month you go without vaping is progress toward your goal. And remember, you're not alone. NRT has worked for many people just like you.